Have you ever just pulled back from a woman, stopped texting, stopped calling, and suddenly, she starts acting differently? Maybe she reaches out, maybe she ignores you even harder, or maybe she does something completely unexpected. Here's the truth. When you stop talking to a woman, she will respond in some way. And the way she reacts tells you everything about how she truly feels about you. By the end of this video, you'll understand the psychology behind her reaction, and I'll reveal a powerful mindset shift that'll change the way you handle situations like this forever. Stay with me, because step number 5 will shock you. Welcome back to the channel, where we break down relationships, male self-improvement, and psychological power dynamics. Today, we're diving into what really happens should you stop talking to a woman. Whether you're doing it intentionally, or because you're fed up, her reaction will tell you everything. But here's the thing: most men don't understand what these reactions truly mean. So today, I'm giving you 5 powerful insights into what happens when you go silent, and why it's crucial for your personal growth and relationship dynamics. Make sure you stick around, because at the end, I'll reveal the number 1 thing that will put you in complete control of these situations. Step 1. She starts testing you when you stop talking to a woman. One of the first things she might do is test you. She'll send a random text, comment on your social media, or even bring up something from the past, just to see if you'll respond. This isn't always because she misses you, it's because she wants to know if she still has control over your attention. A woman's subconscious is wired to seek validation, and if you've been a source of that, your silence creates a void. So, she pokes at you, waiting to see if you'll take the bait. If you respond too quickly, she knows she still has you. If you remain composed, you shift the power dynamic in your favor. But what if she doesn't reach out at all? That's where step 2 comes in. Step 2. She acts unbothered, but she's not. Some women won't reach out at first. Instead, they'll act completely unbothered. You'll see her posting on social media, hanging out with friends, and living her best life, or so it seems. But there's another reaction that can really mess with your head. Let's talk about step 3. Step 3. She gets angry, or accuses you of chang. A woman was used to your constant attention. Your sudden silence might trigger frustration or even anger. She might accuse you of playing games, being immature, or changing when in reality, all you did was stop chasing. But what if she does the complete opposite? That's where step 4 comes in. Step 4. She tries to replace you. One of the most confusing reactions is when a woman suddenly starts entertaining other men after you stop talking. Maybe she's posting with a new guy, flirting online, or making it known that she has options. This is not always about genuine attraction, it's often a reaction to your silence. She wants to see if she can make you jealous, if she can get a reaction, or if she can fill the space you left behind. But there's one more reaction that holds the real key to understanding where you stand. Let's talk about step 5. Step 5. She reflects and comes back differently. If a woman truly valued you, your silence will force her into self-reflection. After the initial reactions, testing, acting unbothered, getting angry, or seeking attention elsewhere, she'll sit with the reality of your absence. And this is where the real change happens. If this video gave you a new perspective, make sure you hit that like button, drop a comment, and let me know which reaction you've experienced before. And don't forget to subscribe for more self-improvement and relationships. For now, subscribe and watch this short video.